How to find lock screen password settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find lock screen password settings on Android phone. First, then open settings and then scroll down until you find this one here, biometrics and password. Click on it, and now just here we'll find password. Here you can change lock screen password, or you can disable it if you want. Then just click change if you want to change it, and type now your password, and just type new password, and that's it. It's easy. And that's how to find lock screen password settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.